What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage, coming to you today with an update on what I haven't done in a while. This was a car I bought, I guess, late last year to resell, but it turned into my brother's daily driver. The black CLK 550 V8, baby, V8. This one was a trade-in at, what's that say? Mercedes of North Atlanta. It's a one owner car. Great Carfax, tons of service history. It's gotten, let's see, I think my brother's had to put a radiator in it. Oh, and the top worked, but it was very noisy, and the fluid was leaking into the trunk. And added fluid to it, found the leak and repaired the line, and it's worked perfectly since. The people probably traded it in because, you know, when these tops go bad on these things, they, you know, it's like, oh, it'll be $1 million to fix. Always put a couple of Kumos on the back because I think he's been doing figure eights in it a lot. But this is just a cheap, I think we gave $5,000 for it, maybe $4,000. He has had a little accident driving it back and forth up to the lake house. He hit some type of mammal. I don't know if it was a hedgehog or a gorilla or what, but it broke the tabs there. We got to while he's down here visiting here on the 4th of July. We're going to, thanks for blowing. We're going to try and fix it. You know, interior's decent. You know, it could use some cleaning. But it's solid, you know, for the miles. The seats aren't shredded. The steering wheel's got a lot of, you know, it's got a lot of wear and fade, and the radio has started doing this cracking thing. But yeah, I mean, it's a pretty good old convertible for the money. I mean, it's a 550. Those are a little harder to find. Let's crank it up. $176,752 on the miles. I mean, she is sweet. Give me that seatbelt. Let's take her for a drive. Let's see, what year is this thing? I think it's a 07. I think so. The third brake light is out. Oh well. But man, she just runs and drives. It's been a while since I've driven this thing. But just like a Mercedes supposed to, you know? Solid, smooth, nice exhaust. Yeah. I know why he doesn't, I know why he's hung on to this and made this his personal driver. This thing, the V8 power in this thing can become a little addictive in a little convertible. It is sweet. All right, we're rolling up here to Highway 41 where the speed limit is 55. Let's give her a little poke and see what we got 0 to 60. Holy shit. Yeah, she's no slouch. Nope. I let up because I really didn't want to get in a tailspin. This thing will break the rear tires loose fairly easily. Put up the side windows, see if that helps with a little bit of wind noise. Turn the AC back on. Yeah. Golly, yeah, this thing's just got gobs and gobs of power and torque. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm all over the road. Holy shit. Yeah, this thing's fun. The only thing that, I mean, it's a cheap convertible, you know? It was one owner. The guy took really good care of it. I think even on the title that we had, you know, we got at the office, I think the guy's name is a German last name. So, you know, he probably, you know, just doted and loved on this thing, but really he used it, you know, because when we bought it, I want to say it had somewhere around 170,000 miles or somewhere like that. So my brother's put about 6,000 miles on it, or 7. It does use a little oil. This thing doesn't have a dipstick, but it will let you know when you're a quart low, and you can just add a quart or whatever. So she does use a little oil. Doesn't really smoke or anything. Probably does under a full throttle punch like that. I'll try and look out the rearview mirror and see if I see anything this time. But it does use just a little bit of oil, and that's probably pretty common for these V8s, especially with this kind of miles. That V8 is jammed under the hood, man. All right, we're gonna just kind of get turned around here. I'm gonna look in the rear view. Holy shit. No smoke, but plenty of speed. Woo! Yeah, I like this car. I'm not a convertible guy, but I could drive this daily. This would be okay. Yeah, I like this. Very smooth. The air's cold. This is a pretty low option CLK 550. I mean, I think the price difference from a CLK 350 with the V6 and a CLK 550 with the V8, I think it's like a $20,000 price increase. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, but it's pretty substantial to go to a 550 to get the V8. So the guy probably wanted the motor but didn't care for, you know, the command DVD nav thing. It doesn't even have heated seats. And most CLK 550s have heated seats, cooled seats, air scarf, you know, all the options. So this one's pretty, you know, kind of a base model, I guess you'd say. But hell, that's the trade-off for the V8 is worth every bit of it. I mean, every bit, man. This thing is fantastic. Love this car. Love this car. What's this guy doing way up here ahead? Oh, it's the guy that was broke down a minute ago. Looks like he's breaking down again. Let's do a punch. No smoke. My brother says she's... Uh-oh. Is he going to make it? My brother says she smokes on cold starts if she's been sitting for a week or so. So, you know, it is getting a little oil past, you know, past whatever, the rings or whatever, getting back out. But, hell, who cares? $5,000. This is a lot of fun for the money. And you got cold air, and it drives great. And it doesn't look half bad. We got to fix that bumper today, though. That's driving. That would drive me freaking nuts. Anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Sorry I hadn't posted many videos in a while. We haven't been buying any cars. Actually, we haven't been selling any cars because we haven't been trying. I've been real busy with some personal stuff and some medical stuff, and my brother has been really busy with his engineering stuff, because that's his main line of work. So yeah, we've got like 7 or 8 cars that I think I have videos on. Everything should be uploaded except maybe a BMW X4. I'll try and get it. But we're when I get to Chattanooga next. But yeah, we just hadn't had time. So hopefully after the heat of the summer passes us and get into fall, we'll get back into the swing of things and try and see if we can't start buying and selling some more cars. So let's just enjoy our summer break. It's too damn hot here in Georgia. I think it's like 94 degrees right now and it's noon. Anyway, happy 4th of July, everybody. And thanks to our service men and women out there that serve and those in the past that gave their lives. And happy birthday, America. Awesome. We'll see you next time. Peace.